In today's cooking skills video, I show you how to make a delicious custard for all your pies, puddings and crumbles. So the first part of making the custard is to bring 570 milliliters of milk and 55 milliliters of cream to a simmering point, so it's on a really low heat. So we just need to bring it to a simmer really gently on just a low heat. If you're going to use a vanilla pod, add that at this stage as well, and then that will be removed once the milk and the cream has come to the point that we require. If you're using extract like me, we'll be adding that a little later on. Okay, so we just want to keep it on a really low heat and just want to gently heat it through. So you'll know when it starts to come to the correct stage. Start to see bubbles around the edge. Okay, so I think that's probably just going to need a few minutes, and then we can move on to the next stage. Okay, so it's just coming up to the simmering point now, so what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the heat and remove the vanilla pod at this stage if you're using one. Meanwhile, in this bowl I've got 4 egg yolks. You need just the egg yolks. The whites you could keep for making meringue. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add to that 30 grams of caster sugar, and then also we're going to add 2 level teaspoons of corn flour. That goes. Just get that out. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to whisk that all together. I'll just give that a good whisk, just until it's all combined. Okay, and then now this next stage, what we need to do is we now need to pour the hot milk and cream onto the eggs and the sugar and the corn flour, whisking at all times. Okay, so it's going to be just so you don't cook the eggs. So here we go. Just don't stop whisking, just keep whisking until you've poured all the milk and cream in. Obviously you can get someone to help you pour if you have someone. Just do it steadily, and just as long as you keep whisking and don't stop. Nearly there. There we go. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're now going to return this mixture to the pan, and what we're going to do is we're going to add, if you're using vanilla extract, we're going to add just about half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And again, we just want to put it over a low heat, so a gentle heat. So that's over a low heat. We're just going to add our vanilla extract, just half a teaspoon. There we go. And then just take a wooden spoon and just give it a stir over a low heat until you can feel that it's thickened. And then we're nearly there. And of course, custard goes with a lot of desserts. Obviously the classic is apple pie, of course, or apple crumble. So there's lots of things you can serve it with, and obviously it's good to make it yourself. I know you can buy it, but you can also of course add other things to it. You know, there's plenty of recipes if you want to add some alcohol to it, especially for at Christmas. So we're just going to keep stirring it just over a low heat until it's thickened, and then what we'll do after that, we'll pour it into a jug. Now if you're not going to if you don't require it straight away, then what you can do is you can just sit it in a pan of hot water, and then just get a bit of cling film and just put that on the top of the jug, just to stop a skin forming. And of course once it's cool, you can keep it in the fridge as well. So we're just going to stir that until it's thickened up, which is what the corn flour will help to do. Just keep stirring it. You'll be able to feel when it's thickened enough. Okay, so I think that's about there now, so I'm going to turn that off. You can feel with the wooden spoon that it's thickened up, and you can see it coats the back of the spoon, which is a good indication that it's ready as well. So I'm just going to pour it into a jug, and like I said, if you're not using it straight away, just get a pan with some hot water in it, put the jug in it, and then just put some cling film over the custard, just to stop it forming a skin, and then until you require it. Okay, and you know, it can seem daunting making your own custard, but just follow the steps that I've shown you and just do it. Take your time, don't rush it, because it's something that needs to be done over a low heat, and you know, you practice it enough, you'll be fine. So I hope you will give it a go yourself. So let's just pour it into the jug. And then there we have a lovely homemade custard. So there you go, homemade vanilla custard. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and thank you if you have, and ring that bell for notification of future cookery videos and other videos as well. And let me know in the comments what other cooking skills videos you would like me to do. Thanks for watching, bye for now.